So we're starting off day 21 here in Silverton, Colorado. Stayed here last night at the Avon rooms. I had a big day yesterday of mountain passes. Got through like 8 mountain passes. Engineer, Cinnamon, Black Bear, Imogene, and California, a couple other ones. Big day of riding. Just had a ball. Probably the best day yet. Got here to Silverton pretty late last night, about 9:30 at night. Checked into this Avon hotel. Really cool little place in an old building that's been restored. Very clean, neat. I would highly recommend coming to Silverton and staying at the Avon, because Silverton's a really cool little town. It's kind of like has an old west town feel. They've not built any new buildings here, just taken all the old stuff and redone it, and they've kept like a really neat western town feel. We're gonna finish out Colorado today, do 1 or 2 more passes, and I think we're doing Ophir Pass and Lizard, and then we're headed for Utah. We'll either get to Monticello, Utah, or Moab, depending on how much time we make. But it's a beautiful day. We're hoping the weather holds out and cover some miles on the trail today.